a quick video showcase for the Branco Customs throwing axes. These were made from 6mm thick 80 CRV2 tool steel. I cut them from one solid piece and ground them with a beautiful rock texture pattern. The groove down the handle is made so you can fit and use with a nice paracord handle, or they work equally as well without. This adds to the nice robust texture and features of them, so if you end up hitting them onto things and bouncing them off of things, you're not going to end up worrying about your handle scales dropping off. Check out my website for the most comprehensive information, and if you would like to either order a custom knife for yourself or as a gift for someone, please check out my website www.brancocustoms.com. Thank you.